Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you find this account. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get a free $80,000 competition account for you to start trading for free in 2025. And as you can see, this is it right here on the screen. And also, I will be explaining the terms and conditions that you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Alright, so all you just have to do is to make sure that you stick to the end of this video so that you won't miss out on any necessary process, because I will be guiding you through step-by-step processes on how to get this free $80,000 competition account. And as you can see, these are the terms and conditions on the screen right now, and it will be well explained in the middle of this video, so make sure you stick to the end of this video. And if this is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel or my video, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like my video, comment, and don't forget to share with your friend so that they also can benefit from these no deposit bonuses and profit account. And also make sure you still stay tuned on this YouTube channel, because I always drop no deposit bonuses that you can get for free and profit accounts that you can start trading with without you having to deposit any money in 2025. So now, to continue and proceed in getting this free $80,000 competition account, all you just have to do is to go to the description of this video or the comment section. A link will be available for you there. Click on the link and you'll be redirected back to my Telegram channel. And also, if you are interested in making money online in 2025 without you having to deposit any amount, even if the money that you are going to be making is small, all you have to do is to join my Telegram channel. So once you are redirected back to my Telegram channel, the link to get this $80,000 competition account will be dropped in my Telegram channel. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to this interface showing up right here on the screen. And the next thing for you to do is for you to scroll down below. If you are interested in getting to know more about their terms and conditions, these are their terms and conditions, as you can see right here on the screen. Let me just explain it briefly so that we can continue. So, when will I receive the login details for my account? Traders who have registered for the competition will receive their login details for their competition trading account at least 0 to 5 days. So if you don't receive the account details the moment you are done registering, within the 5 days you should be able to get it. And who can participate in getting it? As you can see, someone who is older than 18 or someone of 18 years old can be able to get it. All right, so now let's go to the major terms and conditions. So bear with me. As you can see, these are the rules. Daily drawdown is 5%, maximum drawdown is 10%, and minimum trade is 10. All right, so these are the important rules that you must know in order for you to start trading so that you can be able to withdraw your profit. So now, to proceeding to how you can get this bonus, how you can get this profit account, the next thing for you to do is for you to come down, scroll down, and click on register for competition. All right, so click on register for competition, and this bonus account will be starting on September. This bonus account will be starting on September. So once you get to this interface, all you have to do is to fill in the necessary details, and once you're done, click on register. So once you click on register, you'll be brought to this interface. As you can see, the next thing for you to do is to confirm your email address. So you will confirm your email address by clicking on confirm, but before you do that, make sure you fill in and make sure that you are done with the recaptcha. All right, so just click on I'm not a robot, and after that click on confirm. As you can see, we are 50% on the way. So the next thing for us to do is for us to confirm our email, get ready for existing journey. So the next thing for us to do is for us to go to our email to confirm and make sure that we are done activating the account. So in order for you guys to be able to activate your account, the next thing for you to do is to go to your email, and something will be brought to your email. But if your email did not bring out anything, you can just click on here over here. All right, so this is me in my email account, and as you can see, this is what they bring out for me. In order for us to be able to activate our $80,000 competition account, the next thing you have to do is to click on confirm. All right, click on confirm, and you will be brought to this interface. And as you can see, our registration is 100% completed, and congratulations, your participation is in competition confirmed. Now sit tight and await the closing registration of the competition. It will start on the September 1st. So the next thing for us to do now is for us to wait for the login details, which will be sent to our email within 0 to 5 days. All right, so congratulations to us. So you can now go back to their web, click on back to the web, and as you can see, for abbreviation, these are their terms and conditions. For abbreviation, these are their terms and conditions. You can quickly take a screenshot of it, so that once you get to the right time for trading the competition account, you will be able to know how to trade it and the terms and conditions you have to obey in order for you to be able to withdraw your profit. Once it is on September 1st, I will be making a video on how you can start trading on it, where to start trading, and how to sign in for your $80,000 Pro Firm competition account. All right, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel